Good morning, students. Today we start our new chapter, article. Article. Yes. Articles a and the are known as articles. They usually use before noun. Okay. A and the are called articles. Okay. They use before noun a and the. These three are known as articles. Okay. They comes before noun. Okay. Now I am telling articles are divided in two parts. Okay. Indefinite and definite. Okay. Okay. Indefinite a and n. A and n are known as indefinite, and definite the is known as definite article. Okay. So we use with singular singular noun a and n. Where we use a and n, I am telling here, it's depend. Where we use a and n, it's depend on sound. Sound, what sound comes out when we speak out the word, then where we put a and n. Okay. Consonant sound. Consonant sound. When we speak any word, if the sound comes out consonant, we use a, like a book, a pen, a boy, a girl. Okay. So these alphabets pronounced as a consonant sound. So we put before these noun a here. Okay. And if the sound comes out in the vowel sound, then we have to use n. Vowel sound. Vowel sound. When we speak any word, when the sound comes out that is in vowel, that we use n there. N. N. S. N. Inkpad. N. Enemy. Okay. Like these words. These words start with alphabet which pronounce vowel sound. So we have to put here n everywhere, n. Okay. So it's depend on sound. What sound comes out from when we speak out the word, we have to put a and n. Most of spellings, most of spellings are start with consonant, but when we speak out, the sound comes out vowel sound. I am telling here example of that. See, like an honorable man. See here, This is H here, na? H is consonant, okay? But when we speak out, what sound comes? Yo. Sorry, O sound comes. Honorable, honorable, okay? O sound. So what we put here? N, honorable man. And our, and our, here is also we speak O sound, our, and higher, yes. So higher means, and this the here H here, so H we the same sound comes here, here. So we put here N. So with this type of words, when we speak out, the vowel sound comes out, we put N there, okay? It's depend on sound, the what sound we have to speaking. At that time, where we put A and where we put N. Some examples like a university, Look at here, university, U is a vowel, but when we speak out, what sound come? U, university. So a university, don't N here, a university, okay? A union, A, okay? Union. A one man person, one eye man, a one eye man, yes, one. If the sound, if the spelling start with O, but what sound comes? W sound. So one eye man, we put A here, okay? Keep this in mind that what the spellings we write down, at what we speak out, what the sound comes, there we put A and N. Consonant sound, we use A. Vowel sound, we use N, okay? Now come here, where we use the, okay? Where we use the. First, I want to tell you, when we say some particular, about some particular person, okay? First point is that when we speak out about some particular, any particular person, we use the here. Like I saw the lady who is your neighbor. Look at here, I saw the lady. यहाँ particular lady की talk हो, we are talking about a particular lady. Which lady? Who is your neighbor? वो lady जो तुम्हारे neighbor में है. We are talking here a particular lady. When we talk some one particularity, we use the, okay? Now use of the I am telling here one by one. Use of definite article the. Yes, first point, when we talk about particular person or things, particular person or things, जब हम किसी पर्टिकुलर पर्सन और थिंग के बारे में कुछ कह रहे हैं, देयर वी यूज द एज, लाइक एग्जाम्पल हियर, the book you want is out of print, like this is the sentence. So look, the book matlab means which book, that one you want, so here the book, it is a particular thing, particular book, not all book we are talking about, we are talking about a particular book here. Okay, then when we when a common noun is meant to represent a whole class, when a common noun is meant to represent whole class, means ऐसा कॉमन नाउन जो एक क्लास को रिप्रेजेंट करता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, द काउ इज यूजफुल एनिमल, द काउ इज ए यूजफुल एनिमल. Okay, so the cow, here we are not talking about any one cow, we are talking about a whole class of cow. Okay, so we put here the, when we talking about something about the which represent the whole class, then we put the. Second example, the horse is a noble animal. One more example we can also write here. The rose is the sweetest flower of all. Okay, here's what, see, the cow, the horse, the rose, these represent the whole class, not any one horse we are talking, not any one cow or any one rose, we are representing here the whole class of horse, cow and rose. Okay, so when we talk about common noun that represent the whole class, there we put the. Okay, then after this, third use, we use the before proper name, proper name, like, okay, oceans and seas, oceans and seas. The Pacific Ocean, the Pacific Ocean, the Pacific Ocean, the Indian Ocean, okay, the Red Sea, the Black Sea, okay. So when we talk about the name of proper noun, some proper noun, not all proper noun, but some proper noun like ocean and seas, we put the here, the Pacific Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Red Sea, the Black Sea. Then rivers like rivers, the Ganga, the Brahmaputra, the Godavari, the Yamuna, okay, the Ganga, the Brahmaputra, all rivers we have to put the here. Then after mountains, before the name of mountains, the Himalayas, the Himalayas, the Alps. So before name of these proper noun we put the here. Then fourth, canals, canals, example, the Suez Canal, the Suez Canal. Then deserts, deserts, the Sahara Desert, the Sahara. Group of island also, groups of islands, example, the West Indies, the West Indies, West Indies. Then we put the before the name of some books name, that are books like the Ramayana, holy books, Ramayana, the Vedas, etc. Okay. So I tell you where the article is used in when proper noun used here. Okay. Then after use of definite article the, when we talk about something unique kind of thing, that is unique, only unique of their kind, वो अपने आप में ही यूनिक हो, their kind, as the sun, the sky, the earth, ओके, सो व्हेन जो अपने आप में ही यूनिक हो, ऐसी चीज़ों के आगे भी हम द का यूज़ करते हैं. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, वी यूज द with superlative degree, with superlative degree, superlative degree. Yes, the oldest man, the oldest man, the youngest brother, the youngest brother. So when we use superlative degree anywhere, we use the before superlative degree. The darkest, this is the best book of English in sentence we use now. This is the best book of English. See, in superlative degree what we use here, before there we use the here, we use here in this sentence, and we put here the oldest man, the youngest brother. This is the best book of English. So before superlative we have to use the. Then after, before ordinal number, when some numbers use in ordinal, with ordinals, like the fifth, the first row, okay. So in ordinal number we use the. दा का हम सुपरलेटिव में यूज कर रहे हैं. देन आफ्टर विद ऑर्डिनल नंबर ऑल्सो वी यूज द हेयर. नाउ इन द लास्ट आई वांट टू टेल यू दैट इज विद म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट वी यूज द विद with musical instrument like musical instrument like the guitar, the flute, okay. So I tell you here where we use a, where we use an, and where we use the. I am telling today you what is the article, okay, a, an and the. These are articles, they use before noun, okay. A use when the sound consonant sounds comes out, then in the with noun we use a there. When the vowel sound comes out we use an there, okay. And the definite means definite article the is used some like particular things, we talk about particular things and person, okay, with superlative degree, with ordinal number, with musical instrument, okay. So today's enough for the day. In next video I am telling you omission of article and repetition of the. Thank you and have a nice day.